Let's show you how to process a payment with Surcharge. On the PayPack tab, click onto the Charge subtab. Enter the amount you want to charge for. Click Refresh to grab the latest payment method from the Stripe customer. You can observe the surcharge amount and click Charge. PayPack will first check if Stripe accepts the payment request successfully. Once Stripe is successful, PayPack automatically creates the surcharge invoice. Then PayPack automatically creates the NetSuite payment too. After the invoice page refreshes, you will see the status go from open to paid in full because the NetSuite records were created. When you navigate to the PayPack Data and PayPack Payment Intent subtab, you will find a payment intent in succeeded status. Under the PayPack charge logs, there will be a record with a success status, the payment record created, and the surcharge invoice all linked below. On the surcharge invoice, it will be marked paid in full from the same payment that was applied to original invoice. You can set the surcharge item and its linked GL account in the PayPack configuration. Back on the original invoice, open the Interpayments logs to find the transaction ID. Here in the Interpayments portal, we can see the same transaction. Under the Fee column, you'll find the surcharge amount applied to the transaction.